Morning guys, time is around 7:30 in the morning, almost near to Coimbatore. So ordered bread omelette guys, I was hungry. So if you can see, it's 7:30 in the morning. We are entering Coimbatore, I guess, almost nearby. And I saw in few vlogs also, in Coimbatore nice breakfast you'll get, idli, vada, dosa. Let's see if I find that I'll eat that also, because this won't be enough. This bread omelette in train only they are selling, only 2 breads and 1 omelette. This won't be enough, and this is 50 rupees guys. Not that great, average it is. 50 rupees, 2 bread 1 omelette won't be enough, not only for me, for anyone. So let's see. Let's wait for Coimbatore. Hello guys, good morning from Coimbatore. Time is around 7:50 in the morning. Train is running 10 minutes late. Coimbatore. Lot of onboarding here. Nice sleep I got guys in the night. Nice peaceful it was in the cabin. And yeah, this is the Coimbatore railway station. First time in Coimbatore. Just had my breakfast. I just ordered 1 bread omelette. Catering service is not that great guys in this train. It is average only, even in first class also. So let's see what all we get here. There's one store actually. So guys, coming to this first class, morning I got up to freshen up. The washrooms not that great guys, I'm telling now. The OBHS team is coming. Yesterday night they came once around 6 o'clock, and then now they came. They are cleaning the cabin waste, but washrooms they are not cleaning guys. It was very hard to brush my teeth also. I went to second class. Normal recording. Normal. This is 45,000. Action camera. Online Amazon. Small size photo video alla. Sir, coffee. So he's asking about the camera guys. So I'm using this stick, and camera rate is looking weird for them. So he's asking price, what camera is this? In Tamil he's asking. So let's drink one coffee and take some snacks to eat in the train. So yeah, that's what guys regarding the washrooms. Not that great, and not able to brush also guys, because the smells, lot of dirty smell, and all watery it is. The experience of first class is not that great. I'm searching for tea coffee. There's no tea coffee. I went and asked him, till then he told coffee khatam ho gaya. Actually, if you can see, this is platform number 1 guys. Here also platform is there, there also platform is there. 2 sides. But here no stalls only. That side only it is nice. So yeah, first time in Coimbatore, very beautiful, very scenic it is. Nice, but no tea coffee. It's so big station. So you can see time is around 8 o'clock. So guys, more 9 hours to go to reach Varkala. So guys, if you can see the view, I'm shooting in the phone. In camera I was not able to show you guys. You can see that mountains, so beautiful guys. From here the real view starts, because after Coimbatore we are entering Kerala only. Beautiful right, beautiful. Pleasant weather in Coimbatore. It's not that hot, not that cold. Pleasant it is, nice it is in Coimbatore. Just took one lace packet also guys. Again I'll feel hungry, that's why. Sir, we got the signal. You can see guard gives the green signal. Let's go. Wanted to have a tea coffee guys. You can see tea coffee is this side actually. Our coach is at the end, so no vendor is coming to sell tea coffee. You can see it is in the between of the station, the tea coffee. Nice tea coffee they are selling because in Tamil Nadu nice coffee will get. At the end the vendors are not coming. Appointment here. So bye Coimbatore. You guys can see beautiful mountains. Beautiful, right? You can see there. I guess it is some temple, guys. Beautiful. All beautiful location starts, guys. Coimbatore, after Coimbatore, if you see, 30 minutes, guys. The nature, beautiful nature starts. Sabari Express goes in a crazy road, guys. So that's what I like about this train. One thing goes from this western line. That's all you can see. It comes under western line only. Oh my God, so beautiful. We got a stop. Train has stopped. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. You can see clouds. Wow, it's epic. Into the nature completely. Guys, till now we were in cart section ends, and from here it begins again. So we just finished cart section. It was epic, right? As you saw the clips. It's beautiful, guys. It was beautiful. We are into Kerala. We have entered Kerala, and this is the first station. Kajikodi, first station of Kerala. Train is pulled by Nalaguda local shed map 7. Last night in exactly near Katpadi I saw the loco. Nalaguda map 7. Time is around 9:23. We have just entered Kerala and we are stopped here at Palakkad station. So just now, as you saw the clips, we were in the Ghat section. So beautiful, right, guys? The mountains, the clouds, the nature was really. After entering into Kerala, it's completely greenery full. It was nice. This train goes from Epic route. So it travels from Palakkad, Thrissur, Ernakulam, Kollam. Then it reaches Trivandrum, Varkala, then Trivandrum. So one thing I can recommend when you travel in this train early, the next day early morning, the roads will be epic for this train, guys. One thing, thumbs up for Sabari. But see, guys, we are into the nature, full of greenery, enjoying this vacation. So yeah, I guess here 1-2 minutes halt, I guess. But train is running 10-15 minutes late only, guys. But that's fine, no problem. Platform. It's a passenger train actually. Food, idli, vada, dosa, upma for breakfast. Lunch again same. Anda biryani, veg biryani, chicken biryani, chapati, veg kurma. Dinner also same or little bit. So these are the options you'll get in Sabari Express in first class, second class, third class and sleeper as well. You'll get same options. If you want, you can buy in stations like Coimbatore, Palakkad, big stations you can buy breakfast or lunch or dinner also. In Nellore you can buy somewhere there. Okay, we got off signal. So let's go. So you can buy food from outside also, not a big issue. They sell these things only in this train. They have a separate kitchen also, separate bogie also for this train. And one more thing, guys, in the train they are selling tea and coffee, but it is not milk. They are using milk powder for tea and coffee, which I don't like. I know few people like the powder ones, but I don't like. I want milk only. Taste good. Here also, if you see, guys, no vendors selling tea, coffee. Go further over there because this first class, second class will be end of the train. So that's the problem here. No vendors will come and sell here. Mostly they'll sell at the sleeper coaches, middle of the train, middle of the platform they'll sell. So guys, this is Cochin Airport. It's a very big airport only. If you can see, there's a flight, Indigo flight. Cochin Airport, and this is the runway, guys. You can see planes over there. I can see Indigo, Air India. This is the runway. This is the runway, sorry. Beautiful.
One hour later. Is you fade away. Is you fade away.
Guys, time is around 12:40. Reached Ernakulam town. You can see Ernakulam junction is next stop, but we won't take that. We'll take left from Kottayam. It will go Kottayam. It will go to Kollam, then Trivandrum. So slept for some time, guys, and got up. So I was hungry. The vendor person came and he said that there is chicken meals, egg meals, veg meals, chicken biryani, anda biryani, veg biryani. So I said one chicken meals. I don't want to eat the chicken biryani, guys. I know how it will be. So I ordered chicken meals. So let's see how it is. So yeah, more 5 hours to go, guys, to reach. Right now in Ernakulam town. Guys, I'm in the washroom, in the first class washroom. You can see there is no soap also, guys, to wash hands. Nothing is there. See? Water also, the flow is not proper. I don't want to show the other side of the washroom, but it is very dirty. Show you the other side of the washrooms also, guys. You guys might be thinking I'm just trying, but seriously, not that great. If you see this side as well, there is no wash basin only to wash your hands in first class. You need to wash inside. You guys see? Not that great, guys. All in first class. Only from this door to that door, the cabins are good. That's it. Nothing else. Don't know what are it. This is the thing. See, you can explain inside. So guys, ordered chicken meals, chicken biryani. So just wanted to taste, that's why I ordered this much. With the view I'm eating, guys. So let's see how it is. This is the rice. This is the chicken biryani. I'll keep it for evening also. I'll not waste the food and the curry also. I'll keep it for evening. Evening I'll eat again because time is around 1 o'clock. So my train will reach 5 o'clock. So that time I'll eat. And with the curd also. So the price is little expensive, guys. 140 per meal, guys. So I'm thinking it's not that value for money, because we see chicken biryani, it is 80 rupees. I don't know why they are selling for overpriced. Even curd also 30 rupees means they are selling for 35 rupees. So this tea coffee people also, na guys, they'll tell no change. Tea coffee is 25 rupees means actually 20 rupees it is. They'll take 25 rupees and they'll tell now we don't have change. Obviously we are traveling train. Now I have to give them for 50 rupees or 30 rupees. 5 rupees they'll not give back only. They'll tell no change. For everything they are charging extra, and if they're taking extra money also, they're not giving the change. From ice cream till thumbs up or water bottle, 5 rupees they are charging only. This vendor people, and in railway stations also, guys. Railway people need to look into it. So guys, let's see. This is Kerala biryani. I'm a Hyderabadi. You can't compare Hyderabad biryani to any other state. So this is Kerala biryani. Tomatoes are there in this. I'm not comparing Hyderabad biryani at all. Hyderabad biryani is top. I'm not comparing. I'm just tasting. Bagar rice, chicken curry. Let's taste the chicken curry with the rice. Chicken curry is nice. Chicken curry and rice is nice, guys. So you can go from chicken meal. Don't go for biryani. Don't go for anda biryani. Don't go for veg biryani. Don't go for chicken biryani. Go for meals. Very nice it is. Chicken curry. With curd you mix and eat. Zabardast it will be. So when you are traveling in Kerala, right, from Palakkad or Ernakulam or Kottayam, you can buy from this stations, guys. Food are very nice. And when you are traveling in Andhra, right, Nellore or Vijayawada, Ongole also, Gudru also, Renigunta also you can buy. So biryani is not that great, guys. Obviously I eat Hyderabad biryani where I can. Veg meals are nice, chicken meals are nice, guys. You can have it with the pickle, curd, chicken curry. So I'll eat this now and sleep off for some time. So guys, time is around 3:51. We reached Kollam Junction. So we reached here 3:30 only, guys. Actually, we are half an hour before time. Sabari train is there before time only, half an hour. Actually our expected time is 4:07 over here, but we reached half an hour before only. So exactly 4:07 only they will remove. 3:30 we reached here. Now time is around 3:52. So exactly 4:07 he will remove, I guess. So next stop is ours only, guys. Varkala. 4:45, 4:40 will reach. Stop from here, it is 45 kilometers from Kollam Junction. So almost near done. 24 hours plus journey. Exactly if you say 30 hours journey, done almost. We are here. It's been a big journey, guys, in first class. I would say it was good only, but as I said, few expectations was not there. Few services, facilities was not there in the first class. Leaving that, everything was fine. It was fun in the cabin. I had a private separate space that made things good. In 30-45 minutes I'll reach my destination, and there I'll end the vlog. Guys, I will tell the price of this train as well. How much is the price of second class and first class? So first class cost per person is 4,000 from end to end, Hyderabad to Trivandrum. It costs 4,000, and second class it costs around 2,400 end to end, Hyderabad to Trivandrum. Same it cost from Trivandrum to Hyderabad 2,400, and third class it cost around 1,500, guys. So this is the difference. Sleeper it is little less only, somewhere around 1,000 rupees or 800 rupees exactly, I don't know. So these are the price of the train, guys. But it is way too long, guys. 30 hours journey. But for Hyderabad people coming to Kerala, we have only one option, the Sabari Express. So we don't have any other trains. So this is the only option. If you see, yesterday 12 o'clock I climbed the train. Till now I didn't reach. The train is running on time only. The train will reach expected time only, but you see 30 hours journey, guys. If you come in first class like this means it is fine, but second, third class also is fine. Sleeper, I don't know how it will be. So I recommended, guys, Sabari Express, but as I said, few facilities, the improvements, it will be more great, and we people also should maintain this all things, let it be washroom or anything, cleanliness we should maintain. So yeah, more in 15 minutes we'll reach Varkala. So guys, done, almost reaching. 1 minute only is there. So yeah, 30 hours spent in this cabin, guys. Beautiful. Actually that person was there, the top person, he actually got down in Kollam only. So that's it guys with this cabin. Yeah guys, that's it. Reached Varkala after 30 hours. Yesterday we started at 12:20 and time is around 4:44. We reached. So this was the experience guys. First class. I told you already. 3 out of 5. Little more facilities if it would have been nice. It would have been amazing. So yeah guys, that's it from Sabari Express and that's it from first class H1 coach. So these guys are telling hi. Actually these people are, you know, bedsheet change, they'll change bedsheet. They become actually friends. Because 30 hours anyone will become friends. So this is the last second stop for this train. Next stop is Trivandrum. It will go to Trivandrum and that is the last stop for this train. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and whoever is traveling in first class, please share this video to them, and especially whoever is traveling in Sabari Express, please share this video.